customers, please note your Rocklea Station is being rebuilt as part of the Cross River Rail project and is now closed. Customers at your Rocklea Station, please disembark at Rocklea Station and follow signage to the station link bus to continue your journey. To plan your journey, go to translink.com.au or speak to staff at an attended station office.
What's going on, guys? Richo1 here. I'm currently at Rocklea Station, the newly reopened Rocklea Station, that is. In front of me we have SMU 223 and 240 now departing Brisbane City Ferny Grove service. With the Beenleigh service now pulling in, EMU 57 front half, rear half is EMU 41. EMU 5741 now departing Beenleigh service. Oh, hang on, no. Might actually be a Cooper's Plain service, actually. Yeah, it's Cooper's Plain service. This is the lift from platforms 2 and 3 heading up to the bridge level. That there's the stairs to go up. I'll head over to the Brook Street entrance.
Doors opening. Arrived at footbridge. Access to platform 1 and Brook Street exit.
This is the bridge that's looking towards platform 1, staircase to platform 2, out to Brook Street. We just missed that lift, but we'll go down the stairs. And to get to your Rocklea Station, people get off here now and just go straight across the car park here over to the bus stop over there. Catch the 109 bus.
Doors closing. Going down to Brook Street exit.
The next train information screens on the Brook Street entrance, as well as the time. Station locality map. This is just some of the information and that. Here comes a Gold Coast service. Now we'll go up the footbridge, to the footbridge via the lift from here. Yeah, speaking of Station Link bus, there's one just pulling in now.
Doors open. Arrived at Brook Street exit.
Yeah, as you can tell, these lifts are definitely new.
Doors closing. Going up to footbridge. Access to all platforms.
I like how loud that is. See out there.
Doors open. Arrived at footbridge. Access to all platforms.
Now heading down to platform number 1.
Doors closing.
This is only going to be a quick video as I've got to get a train in about 10 minutes. I'll take the stairs down. Something unique with this one. Got grass beside the platform. They have done a really nice job at these stations. Flower bed. To the machine. Station something. Some more of the flower bed that's here at Rocklea. And now we'll go and have a look at the old waiting shelter. This is currently on platform number 1, which is for services to Beenleigh. Just do a quick pan of the station. That's looking towards Beenleigh and Gold Coast. Over there's platforms 2 and 3. And that's looking towards the city. Now taking the lift up to the footbridge, I'll go across to platforms 2 and 3. Do you like how you can see out of the loops? That's pretty cool.
Doors open. Arrived at footbridge. Access to platforms 2 and 3 on Brook Street exit.
Yeah, I'll go down the stairs again. One thing I do like about these new station bridges is they feel open. Not cluttered like some of them can be. Coming back down to platforms 2 and 3. This is platform 3.
Brisbane City and
Timetable.
Grove train running express from Moorooka to Yeronga, then from Fairfield to Park Road will arrive on platform 2 in approximately 2 minutes. Please wait behind the yellow safety line until the train has stopped. Train stopping all stations.
I'm going to wrap the video up at this train, as this is my train. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the like button if you like the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.